Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, in today's video, I continue this series on this Toyota Tundra. This is a 2021 Toyota Tundra Platinum. Lots of different videos, so if you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up while you're at it. Let's dive right in. So the Platinum Edition comes with a lot of bells and whistles, and I'll tell you what, they are amazing bells and whistles, by the way. One of the things it did not come with on this particular truck was a running board. So I've had trucks in the past. We also have a Toyota Sequoia that has a running board. We really appreciate them. We also have 3 kids, 10 and under, so we need that running board. This is the same one that was on our Toyota Sequoia, and this is the final installed product on this truck right here. One of the things I love about it is if you look, there's no gap between the running board and the actual vehicle. In fact, it has like a rubber flap that makes up that space, and I'll show you that in a picture in just a minute. But they call it, in fact, the classic black running board from Toyota. It's $500 after tax and was, in my opinion, a good deal. 500 bucks, but it's a Toyota part. So this is me getting ready to install it. One of the things that was really nice about this is that the brackets were already connected to the running board. 3/4 of the work was already done. All I had to do was go underneath and take out the 12mm bolts, and there's 7 of them underneath, which I'll show you in just a second. But again, I'm showing you the bottom of the running board here, and all those bolts, it's already installed, saves me, I don't know how much time, but like I said, I got 3 kids running around. It's nice if this stuff is done for me. So again, there's the brackets right there. The brackets are all identical, except one of them at the very end is longer. That's the one that goes to the front of the vehicle. And again, already bolted on there. Really, really nice, easy, and convenient. And here's a set of the bolts that I removed, again, 12mm. And there's 3 sets of 2, and then there's 1 at the front that is a single bolt that you remove. And then it comes with new bolts, obviously. The new bolts are a little bit longer to make up for the running board. So it did not come with instructions, and I asked the person to print out instructions at the Toyota parts dealer, and of course they did that, and that ended up not being a problem. I said dealer, I meant the Toyota parts department, right? So here's the final product right here, and again, you can see there's no gap in between the vehicle and the actual step, and I think it's just a nice classic look. No, it's not a fancy retractable one, and it doesn't stick out too far in my opinion, but it's definitely enough that it helps out with the kids and makes it easy to get in and out of the vehicle. So right here, I'm showing you that rubber flange that goes in between the running board and the vehicle so that there's no gap back there. It just looks nice, easy, and clean. It's also kind of nice because the kids' feet, the small feet aren't gonna get trapped between the running board and the vehicle. But a lot of it's just aesthetics here. Once it's installed, it looks like it really belongs on this vehicle. It fits absolutely perfect. Hey friends, I hope this video helped you out. Like I said before, this is one of a whole series on this brand new Tundra I have. I talk about the different options that I got on it. I talk about the different things I'm gonna add to this vehicle. I even talked in some of the videos about the options that I wish weren't on it, and I might even remove some of them. So do me a favor, subscribe, hit that like, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.